How to send emails from Google Workspace. So to start, the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and then search for Google Workspace. After that, we'll have to tap on the sign in option, and then in here you'll have to select your account. And then after that, once you're logged in, it will automatically show you all the tools or the apps that you have on your Google Workspace. So in here, we'll have to tap on Gmail. After that, it will automatically open our Gmail account. And then in here, we'll have to tap on this compose option. After that, we can now start creating or editing our email. So in here, I'm just gonna add an email where I can send this message. After that, I'm going to add a subject title. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna type my message. After that, I'll just have to tap on the send option to send the email. So that's how easy we can send emails from Google Workspace. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.